chocolate or black. Hang on. Oh, gosh.
His name is John C.
Oh, no. No. Oh, my God.
Good boy, Kenneth.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it?
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay. What? What is going on?
You don't belong in there.
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
What? What is going on?
Is it time for smelling salts?
Hello.
Ow!
What's that? What's that?
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
Mila! Mila, quick!
That's sick. Yo, that is gone.
You gonna try to put it on?
Gonna put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Nah! Nah!
Oh my God.
Minutes. Hey friends, trust me, you're gonna love today's video.
Looks like we had a bit of beef jerky. Tasty. Looks like we looked through some mail. Looks like over here we plated with some toilet paper. Oh, and what's that? Oh, more. Looks like we played with a lot of toilet paper. Now I wonder who could have done that?
I just got home.
Manatees are often called sea cows because of their calm and gentle nature.
I think he's in love.
Some friendships really
Yo, go right now.
This feels less like an act.
Get it.
This monkey looks like he's thinking about life.
O! O, do kogo piszesz?
This is Toby, and he seems to think 2 legs are enough.
Blankie. Oh, thank you. Come on then. Oh. You got your blankie for snuggles.
That looked better in his head.
What? Well, yo, there's a squirrel inside this.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Luna, you want your supper? You want your supper?
That's a tight fit, but he's going for it anyway.
And that is how you take the city transportation.
That's Pumbaa.
Apparently, warthogs can be ridiculously charming. That's a bit too much help.
Can you come out? Come on, baby. You got it. You got it. Come on. Big boy. Big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ida, where are you? What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that? No, you didn't.
Look how big you are. Just step over it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Just step over. Just step over.
Ага. Дуська, Сима повела Дуську.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking...
Dog owners know, silence usually means something terrible happened.
Thank you for showing us. Oh, you're showing us a baby. Oh, you're kissing.
Did she just give it a kiss?
Yeah, she's giving a kiss.
Aww.
can tell she's proud of that baby.
Good job.
Tu vois, ça avec ce risotto, il s'est coincé la tête dans mon mâchoire.
Just wait. I'll be quick.
Help me. Help me. So cool. Did you know oxpeckers feed on parasites like ticks and flies, helping keep animals like buffalo clean? Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome!
Look how you're sitting. Skin Shady, I think you forgot to get your leg.
I'm gonna probably follow him on my...
Just a cozy little ride.
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want a hug?
Meanwhile, the bisons are out here enjoying free spa treatment.
Why? Why?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time.
Hey, it's your stuff?
Отпусти, пожалуйста. Отпускай.
According to this cat, moving slowly makes you innocent.
Отпусти его. Ну вставай уже на лапки. Ну все, зайка.
Come on, bud.
Whoa, whoa!
Nada, ese marica es muy cansón, weón.
Good girl. Good girl.
This dog.
No, 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 no. Ow. 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 Ow.
Home situations into chaos.
Huh? Huh?
Am I walking you or are you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Okay, somebody's fucked. Oh. Yep.
Drugs. No, we're okay. Drugs. This is awkward. No, thank you. Drugs. Who invited?
Oh my god, pumpkin, pumpkin!
咪咪你，咪咪你怎么长这样？
Me five? Yes, good girl.
Bitch, get the back. Don't touch me, bitch.
Are you embarrassed? Come on, buddy. Okay. Whoa.
Yo, watch out on here. Sliding it wide, still in play here. Cross comes in, Strap. Oh, he's buried it. Goal.